Your complete VA loans guide. For fellow VA loan qualifiers, we have the best loan product available with little to no money down. In this video, I'll tell you about my personal story of using the VA loan while on active duty, the must-know facts about the VA loan, and how to use it to stop losing your money. We're gonna start winning wealth for you and your family. Hi friends, I'm Mercedes, the military realtor. Before we get started, please like and subscribe if you haven't already to help support a veteran-owned small business. I was fortunate enough to use my VA loan in 2017 as a new 24-year-old E6. I didn't have much savings, but I knew I wanted to become a homeowner. I found a realtor and didn't find anything within my criteria. That was okay with me. I waited another year and found a perfect home. The one thing that caught me by surprise was the earnest money deposit. I thought this was a 0% down program, which it is. The earnest money deposit is just put down to help secure the good faith of the transaction moving forward, and you get all of your earnest money back at the end of the transaction. I house hacked with roommates. I performed some value add renovations. I got to enjoy market appreciation. I hired a good realtor and I sold it for a nice profit. I plan to use the VA loan and other methods to acquire property while helping others build success and prosperity through real estate. Just know that this guide was written by a service member that has been through the process. Chapter 1 kicks off with my own heartfelt story of my journey attaining a VA home loan. It's more than just a loan, it's a powerful tool given to us for our service. We'll explore what a VA loan is, its rich history, and the significant impact it's made on veterans like us. It's all about understanding and appreciating this benefit to the fullest. Next up, Chapter 2 demystifies eligibility. Who's in? What about service dates? And what about credit? Is that a deal breaker? We'll answer all of your burning questions, ensuring you know exactly how to qualify. In Chapter 3 is where we build excitement. We dive into the perks of using a new VA loan, how to get your certificate of eligibility, and what entitlement means for you. This chapter is key to unlocking those VA loan benefits. Managing your VA entitlement is crucial, and Chapter 4 shows you exactly how. From tracking and calculating your entitlement to understanding its flexibility and how to restore it if needed. We've got you covered. In Chapter 5, we'll clear up any confusion about the costs involved, the funding fee, the waived fees, and what costs are allowed, and seller concessions. It's all laid out simply for you. In Chapter 6, we break down the financial side of buying a home. Mortgages, interest rates, monthly payments, pre-approval, and what lenders are looking for. We will decode it completely together. In Chapter 7, we guide you through the home buying process, emphasizing financial prudence, the role of agents, and it's about making informed decisions every single step of the way. In Chapter 8, we explore how to choose the right home for you, different VA loan types, eligible properties, and key factors to consider. We'll go through real examples to help you visualize your answers. Thinking outside the box, Chapter 9 covers new constructions and multifamily properties. It's about expanding your horizons and understanding all of your options. In Chapter 10, we have a step-by-step walkthrough of the complete VA home buying process. From start to finish, we'll journey through every single stage together. Now in Chapter 11, we explore the ongoing benefits of your VA loan, from tax saving to refinancing and leveraging your entitlement for future purchases. We'll cover the ins and outs of maximizing this incredible benefit. The big takeaway is the ability to put 0% down, get lower interest rates than the average, no PMI, which is private mortgage insurance, and the ability to use your entitlement over and over again. Depending on your personal situation, different strategies may be used to leverage the most benefits. That includes tactfully buying certain properties in a certain order, how to use FHA, NACA, and other down payment assistance programs, how to minimize taxes, how to pull equity out for another property, and much, much more. We've got such an amazing benefit to help get us to financial freedom and comfort within ourselves and for our family. And there it is, a complete guide designed to empower you, my fellow service members and family members, on your home buying journey. Remember, you're not alone. Together, we can make home ownership not just a dream, but a reality. If you feel like I've earned it, please like and follow so I know to keep creating this type of content for you. For more details, check out the web links provided below. Don't forget, real estate creates real wealth.